I'm Sagar Jha. Our system Visage enables timely analytics for drone imagery. Drones generate massive amounts of data. Due to slow internet, we cannot send all the data to the cloud. Locally, we lack sophisticated compute resources to run the analysis. Analyzing every drone image is impractical due to high data redundancy. Stitching them into an orthomosaic has high processing times. Visage focuses stitching to regions that have a high likelihood of containing an anomaly and sends those stitched images to the cloud based on importance. This enables applications to make use of ML models stored in the cloud, for example, but just the data for the anomalous neighborhoods can be quite large. So Visage sends the lowest quality of the entire image first, and then progressively improves the quality of the anomalous neighborhoods. This accelerates the analysis. Over time, Visage improves the quality of the rest of the image.